Hey, if you ever wanted to make six figures, we're rolling out Six Figure Society. I'm actually in the middle of signing, I don't know how many this is, but we've had about 70 new members join Six Figure Society so far. Okay, so I am actually signing copies of my book, 0 to 6 Figures, to mail out with a welcome kit for those that are joining Six Figure Society. So let me tell you a little bit more about that. Okay, so if you're an agent and you want to make six figures, we have rolled out a program to where you can get access to all 26 of the courses that we've created. That's a total value of $9,003. Those courses are on lead generation. They are on how to sell over the phone, through Zoom, like literally sales system, like every course you can ever imagine, right? That we've ever created, you get access to that. Also, I'll go ahead and tell you this, all this is gonna end up costing you a whopping 40, not like the Whopper from Burger King, but a whopping $49. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. Access to all of our courses, a weekly live Zoom training session where we also have 13 industry instructors as a part of this specific program. And so every Monday at 4 o'clock Central, we have one of those instructors, me or about 12 to 13 others, that come on and educate and train on certain topics, and we do live Q&A. My buddy David Duford was actually on yesterday for Six Figure Society. You can go to sixfiguresociety.com to check this out. And he absolutely crushed it. All the new members, we had about 60 to 70% of the new members showed up, and it was amazing, right? Dave absolutely crushed it. He talked about leads, talked about telesales, talked about selling over the phone, overcoming objections. He did some live role playing, like it was really cool to see. We also have, outside of sending you a welcome package with a copy of my new book, we also have a monthly sales contest. So one of the things we're doing right now is we have a 50% affiliate side of this Six Figure Society. And we have one of the agents that's already joined this, he's already signed up 3 other agents that he actually referred to join this program. He gets a 50% commission on that. So he's actually making more money than he's already spent. And now he gets the program for free, which is pretty cool. So if you know agents that you think you can help get to 6 figures, I can tell you this. If you want to get to 6 figures, there's no question Six Figure Society is the absolute best way to do that. Okay, so we have a contest right now in the program where you can actually come spend a day here in our office. You can walk around. We got about total over 20,000 square feet of office space and over 100 team members, and you get to come spend a day with me and all of our team here in Springfield, Missouri. Yeah, Springfield's not the coolest place in the world, let's be honest. However, getting to hang here and think bigger and do some cool stuff and talk about your business, you get to see behind the scenes in all of our meetings and stuff, that's pretty cool, right? So we also have, let's see what else we got. Okay, I'm looking at sixfiguresociety.com right now, actually. We've got a live Slack group for community communication. One of the agents recently, I think just yesterday, was like, hey, I have a question about who takes bipolar for underwriting for a life sale. And then a bunch of agents were jumping in and answering the question, right? So it's more of a community where you can learn and continue to do more stuff together. We also have discounts for other events. Like we've got a $5,000 retreat coming up for agents that we're rolling out to where you can actually get it for only $900 by being a part of this program. So there's discounts on other stuff. We also, one of the coolest pieces is when you join Six Figure Society, it's sixfiguresociety.com, and you pay $49 a month, which you can cancel anytime, whatever, right? When you make 6 figures and you send us the proof of you making 6 figures, right? Like I made $117,000 at 20 years old, and I have the 1099 to prove it. You can actually see it on the website, sixfiguresociety.com. When you make 6 figures and you can prove it, we will actually send you a 6 Figure Society plaque. Like, hey, congrats, you earned 6 figures, let's get you a plaque, right? Let's recognize you, let's call you out and recognize you and celebrate you in front of all the members. And then when 8% Nation happens in front of thousands of agents, we're actually gonna bring you on stage live to recognize you as one of those agents that hit the 6 figure mark, right? One of the biggest reasons we're doing this is 92% of insurance agents fail. Most agents never hit 6 figures. I would bet that 95% at least of the agents watching this right now have never made 6 figures. And a lot of people feel like they're not ever going to make 6 figures, right? Like they're not, at what I'm writing in the book right now, they're not thinking big, right? Like there's a lot of agents that just don't think they can make six figures. I'm here to tell you, there has never been a program created in our business with more value to help someone get from 0 to six figures than Six Figure Society. Now, we did have this already running. It had a different name. It was called Rising Star. It was actually $199 a month. And you had to commit to a year. And so you had to say, hey, Cody, I'll pay you $2,388. This was previously. And you got access to one course and one coaching and a Facebook group, which Facebook groups suck, let's be honest, okay? And there's 400 million of them that just pester me to death all day. And you got to pay $200 a month for that. And we had 200 members. That's about $39,000 a month and about $500,000 a year, I think $477,000 to be exact, in recurring revenue for this program that we were running, where we were charging 4 times more and giving out way less value. Well, we were helping agents. Agents were finding success because of stuff we were doing together. However, I knew that we could provide more value and do better and do right by more agents. So what did we do? We took the $477,000 that we were bringing in, we stopped it, and we rolled out this instead. And so, well, you would say, well, okay, it doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that? Well, number one, I want to help as many agents get to six figures as we possibly can. And there's a lot of agents that I'm learning that can't afford $200 a month. Some of you are watching right now. But if you wanted to get access to 26 courses, direct access to me, 13 industry instructors, everything I've ever created, et cetera, and really be a part of a fun community, then Six Figure Society would actually help you, right? So if you're out there and you're like, dude, I want to get to six figures like you did, we want to be the people that help you get there. So I can tell you this, if you're looking to get from 0 to six figures, or wherever you're at now, 40 grand to six figures, doesn't matter. I can promise you there has never been a program in the history of the insurance industry that we have ever rolled out or that I've ever seen anyone ever roll out previously before with more value than what we are doing today. So I don't know which of these books you'll receive, but I guarantee you when you stop and you go to sixfiguresociety.com, you can go see my 1099 of when I made six figures when I was 20 from literally cold door knocking to sell life insurance. You can also see all the high value skills that you're going to learn. You can also see actual video testimonials from previous clients who have been in programs with us. You can see literal screenshots from people. The agents are going nuts about the amount of value that they are receiving by being a part of this. Okay, so I can tell you that we want to help agents from all over the world. We had an agent in Spain, Indonesia, several in Canada, and another country too that literally just joined Six Figure Society, and it is growing like crazy. So if you want to get in there and you want to get access to really more information with all the courses and instructors and coaching than you could ever need to help level you up and get you to six figures, join, pay the $49. After you join, we'll actually send out a book and a welcome kit to welcome you. And then you can also sign up immediately after registering to be an affiliate, where you refer someone with your affiliate link and you get 50% of the money back. Well, what's that mean? What does that mean? That means that you refer 2 people that you know that would like to be a part of this, and you get your $49 back. So I would say that I've never seen anything in our industry where you can get access to everything you ever need to get to six figures. Everything. More than you could ever dream value-wise. Actually over $37,000 worth of normal retail value for a measly $49. And you could actually do that, and pretty soon you refer a few agents and we'll actually pay you to learn all of that. So I think you can actually get paid on how to get to six figures, right? Which is pretty unique. So as I have 2 more books and I finalize this video, here's what I want you to do. If you've ever wanted to get to six figures, or you're not getting the training or the access or the help or the community or the courses or the coaching that you need, and you want to start thinking bigger about your life, and you want to break the generational curse, and you want to get from 0 to six figures, then stop what you're doing click the link below, go to sixfiguresociety.com. Let me put this in your hands. Let me spend time with you. Let me get you access to every course we've ever created. And let me get you access to 13 industry instructors that can help you and a whole community of people that is becoming the biggest community in this space overnight very quickly. That I want to help you get to six figures. I guarantee you this is the best offer that's ever been put in front of you to get to six figures. Click the link below and we'll see you on the inside. So you were definitely selling, 10K a week, 40, 50K a month.
Yeah, it was up there. Yeah, it was certainly up there. And I think the interesting thing is being in sales for so long at all levels and sitting there for 3 or 4 days just listening, right? Afraid to get on that phone call.